Hi friends, in this segment we're gonna see the poetic devices like simile, metaphor, and personification. The first one is simile. A simile is a figure of speech that makes a comparison showing similarities between two different things using the words like or as. The word simile comes from the Latin word similis, which means similar or like. They are often used in literature such as poetry or novels. For example, as white as snow, swim like a fish. In these sentences, the words as and like shows that it is a simile. The next poetic device is metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that ascribes imaginary qualities to something by comparing it to another. It's a literary device of comparison that depicts reality by associating objects or actions. Poets use ordinary things that people can relate to in metaphors. Objects like living, non living in nature, actions, movements, and other things are often given a metaphorical value. For example, her eyes were diamonds. He is a shining star. In these sentences, eyes of a girl is compared to diamonds, and a boy is compared with a shining star. In metaphor, two things are compared without using prepositions such as like or as. The next one is personification. Personification is a poetic literary device in which non living things are given human traits. It is a poetic device where animals, plants, or even inanimate objects are given human qualities. It can be resulted in a poem full of imaginary and description. Personification is a figure of speech in which the poet describes an abstraction, a thing, or a non human form as if it were a person. The examples for personification in certain poems are William Blake's O Rose Thou Art Sick, and another example is Donne's Death Be Not Proud. For example, the sun smiled down on us, the trees danced in the wind, the stars winked in the night sky. So these are the examples for personification.